What is going on, y'all, and welcome back to the Average Homeowner's YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to be digging into one of the things that everybody wants, most people need, and it makes for a great accent to any home or building. That's right, we're talking about entryway, driveway, and walkway landscape lighting. So let's get into it. Okay, so today we're not digging into the most expensive landscape lighting. We're not talking about running wires. We're not talking about doing electrical work. We're talking about doing it the incredibly cheap and easy way, and that's going on Amazon and getting some solar lights. So for the last few years, I've had solar lighting along the entry to our driveway over the culvert. I've also had it along our sidewalks because we don't have a lot of downlighting out here. Just because it's a darker neighborhood, we like to be able to see the stars, so there's not a lot of uplighting and soffit lighting and things like that. But what is nice to have, especially for when people come over, is landscape accent lighting. So I went on Amazon and I got some replacements for some of the broken lights that I had out here. So the brand that we're going with, which are replacements for what I had already had out on the driveway, is the Jophios Landscape and Pathway Lighting Kit. These come in 4, 6, or 8 on Amazon, and I will link to that in the description below. Speaking of the description below, if you could look at that description below, right above it, there's a thumbs up button. 99% of you that watch don't thumbs up the videos or follow the channel. So if you could hit that subscribe button, it would help the channel grow and help me continue to make videos like this to put out every Sunday and Wednesday. Now, let's talk about the landscape lighting itself. I'm gonna go ahead and unpack it here and show you how easy it is to put together. So it comes in a box. This is a kit of 6. And you want to just go ahead and lay out, you've got your light heads. These come in bubble wrap, everything comes in bubble wrap. Then you're going to have a package of, this is actually a kit of 4, sorry, not a kit of 6. Then you're going to have the ground stakes. You want to take your ground stakes, set them there, and then you've got your poles. Now the poles also come wrapped, but they're going to have very distinct ends to them. And this is very easy to assemble. There's no tools necessary. All you're going to do, set this box to the side to put our trash in later. All you're going to do is take the top end, which has the 2 holes, and you're going to take the one side that has the screw holes in it. That's going to be the side that the light faces. And you're going to take your solar top, and those two grommets right there will snap right into the top of your actual light. And it snaps in there and locks in place. You're going to do that with all 4 of these. You can hear it snap and lock. Okay, now for the part that goes in the ground, there's an opening in the bottom and there's an actual inset end. Now this does have a lock in it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place that into the hole and you're going to turn it until it locks in place. Now, one of the questions I've seen about these lights previously online is that people say, well, some come out and they're a yellower color, some come out and they're a whiter color. Well, they're actually both can be true. If you look at the bottom of the actual light itself, there's a little button. And you can see this one is now set on white. So it's 600K, this one's 300K, that's 600K. You wanna make sure you have them all set to the same so they match. I like to set all mine on 600K because I like that white, bright look in the evening when the lights come on. So we'll set them all on that, and you can do that just with the press of a button, and then they'll all shut off. Okay, so let's go put these out on the edges of the driveway, get these replacements out, and then I'll be back this evening to show you exactly how they look when they come on after the sun goes down. Okay, so we've already got one here. We're just gonna make sure that one's trued up and in line and it's set how we want it. We've got one here, but this one we're gonna, if we can get the stake out, we're gonna move it to right here. Okay. And then we're gonna take these 2, put one directly across here, and one directly across over here. And then we've got one more spot where we need to put them. And the one we have to replace back here is because somebody decided to run it over when they were backing up. I guess I had it a little too close to the driveway and I didn't have the rocks out yet. So it got run over. So it needs a new one. And that's gonna be right here. So we're gonna move it in a little bit so it doesn't get hit again. And just firm them down, make sure you don't hit plumbing lines, sprinkler lines, anything like that. But they shouldn't do too much damage. I mean, it's not a super sharp tip. You just want to make sure they're all in line and spaced evenly. So with that, I will be back tonight and we will take a look at how they look. And like I said, be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, links in the description. See you in a little bit. All right, so we are back. I'm going to show you a little bit of the landscape lighting. It's a little dark. I've got some of the illumination here on me, helping me. It's not totally dark out here, but I wanted to make sure I could still get a good video. So bear with me, and let me show you how it looks across the front of the house. So like I said, it illuminates the walkway, which makes it really nice when we have guests over, when people are leaving. You want some lighting, but you don't want lighting that's bright enough that bugs are going to bother it or that you're going to have issues. And these being solar, they just recharge themselves every day. We don't have any additional cord. We don't have any additional requirements for running cables and things like that. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Y'all see the bunny right there? There's a little bunny and his shadow's lit up. There he goes. See ya, buddy. Thanks for being in the video. So anyway, this is the landscape lighting at the front of the driveway. It gives us a nice shape and form to the front of the driveway. Frogs are out, so you can hear the frogs too. There we go. So you can see how nice this looks. They put off a good amount of light, and we've got them on the 600 lumens, so it's a little bit brighter. We like that good white light. And obviously on overcast days, they're not going to stay on all night, but I've had really good luck with these staying charged and providing a really nice ambiance to the home. Take a look at the house from the street here. There you go. That is how it looks walking up. And so I've been really impressed by them. Like I said, the link's in the description. As always, thank you so much for tuning into the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.